I'm not his mom by blood. But all you see, everybody's society puts all these gangbangers, all these little bald Mexicans, their baggy clothes. We made over $2,000 in 2 days for him. Some of my boys are still People may say we're not family, but you know what? Our family's thicker than blood. All these boys will be the first one to have your back, and especially Oscar. I had to move, and he was the first one to tell me, Mom, where are we going? Help pack up the stuff and go. Anything you needed, he was the one there. Anybody being disrespectful, he was the one to be like, hey, God, calm down. Don't talk like that. Hey, let's go outside. Let's take a walk. Calm down. It's going to be all right. The other day, we had a birthday party for some of the little kids, and I was teasing them because I told them I was going to make a video because all these bad-looking gang members over here were playing with bubbles in my house. And I told him, and now I regret not getting my phone and making that video because he was one of the first ones there playing with the little kids.
It was an awesome day too.
Yeah, it sure was.
Yeah.
They all love each other. He's a brother. He's not a friend. He's not a homie. He was a brother. He was a son to me. The last time I seen him on Saturday, he gave me a hug and said, bye, Mom. I'll see you later. That's the last time I remember. He would pop up out of the blue, be around 3 or 4 days, and be gone again. Everybody loved him. He respected everybody. He was never disrespectful to anybody. He didn't have his real mom. His auntie raised him. So he was kind of a son of everybody because he respected everybody like they were his parents because he didn't have his parents. All I got to say is he may be gone, but he's never going to be forgotten. Que descanse en paz. Rest in peace, mijo.
Rest in peace, homie. Yeah. R.I.P.